Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making it count with the BariGirls Cottage Egg Bites.
Yes. And we're using eggs, cottage cheese, and cheese. Protein to the maximus.
Your protein princess right here. Eggs contain protein and healthy fats, which can lead to sustained energy and fullness.
Yes, and the cottage cheese in this recipe can be part of an anti-inflammatory diet. I like that.
Well, let's get this healthy and easy recipe started by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. We'll spray a non-stick muffin tin with cooking spray. And if you're using a silicone muffin tin, you don't need to spray it, of course.
Yes, but in a blender, we're going to add our eggs, cottage cheese, salt and pepper, of course, and blend that until it's well combined. From there, we're going to divide our cheese or your desired toppings of your choice into each muffin tin. From there, we're going to divide the egg mixture evenly into each muffin tin and bake about 350, 325, what did you say?
350 we found is the best temperature.
Yes, for about 20, maybe 25 minutes. Just kind of gauge it and watch until the tops are set.
Okay. Then once you remove them, you want to let the bites rest in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes before removing.
Yes, and there you have it. That was so simple, Mom, and healthy for them. You guys are really going to enjoy it. From us, the BariGirls.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us for more helpful, flavorful recipes on YouTube.
And when you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.